Welcome to EasyGDB, a simple system to create your own genomics portal with bioinformatics tools. It provides a basic web template with a header, a menu toolbar, and a footer to include institutions and funded logos. And also, it provides customizable templates for some of the most common pages, like the home page or About Us, where, for example, you could include citations for your papers or information of your lab members. In case you need to manage multiple species, EasyGDB provides a species menu where you can link to custom species pages. In EasyGDB, it's very easy to share files in the download section, where the code replicates the file structure in the browser. Among the available bioinformatics tools are the Search by Gene ID or Annotation keywords, BLAST, Genome Browser, Sequence Extraction, Annotation Extraction, or Gene Version Lookup. It is also possible to create any other custom page, like for example to display the genome assembly statistics. Please check other videos for more information.